It's another Sunday again, and this is our sound check. So meet with our guys. That is Rema, trying to get the team set for our sound check with our amazing singers. We have C4, Jonathan, also Confidence, Trisha, Victory, and Blossom. It's going to be an amazing time, so we're getting set for our sound check, and so we're just testing their vocals to see how it's going to be before the main sound check set in. I can't wait, guys. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this one.